Ang boat namin is number 6.
Hello guys, ito ang Lubbock River Cruise. Binook nga pala namin to sa Klook for day tour kasama ng Chocolate Hills, Starshire Sanctuary, at Baclayon Church. Guys, super worth it talaga yung punta namin dito. Ang sasarap nga ng mga food na sinerve nila sa amin. Paborito ko talaga yung inihaw na isda, yung hipon, caldereta, sinigang, lechong manok, pork barbecue, at fried rice. Sobrang dami nga namin nakain guys. Punong-puno yung plato at nakailang balik kami. May music and entertainment pa.
Hi, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to the hall and welcome to Amore Cruises. I'm journeying together with my accompanist, G-Boy. So we'll be entertaining you with some of the popular songs. And as we journey going through the cycles, we will also be entertained by a cultural group. So sit back, relax, enjoy your meal and the scenic beauty of Lubbock. A piece of Canada. Thanks.
Yan si ate naglalaba oh. Labadami. Si Ivana. Si Ivana Alawi.
Kahit mahal, araw na kahit